Do you feel like your legs are weakening after the age of 50? There is a fact that most men have never heard, and it completely changes the way you think about aging. In Japan, researchers discovered that the ability to sit and stand up from the floor without support is directly linked to longevity. It's not genetics, it's not luck. It's daily movement. While most men over 50 accept leg weakening as an inevitable destiny, elderly Japanese continue climbing stairs, squatting, standing up from the floor, with an autonomy that seems impossible for their age. In this video, you will discover the 3 exercises they use every day to maintain that strength. No gym, no equipment. And one of them is probably the best test you can do right now to know where your body really stands. Let's begin, but first, tell me where you are watching from, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exercises inspired by Japanese longevity. Exercise 1. Shiko Sumo Squat. When you think of a sumo wrestler, you probably imagine weight, brute strength, and impact. But what few people know is that behind that image, there is impressive hip mobility, and that is exactly what elderly Japanese borrowed to keep their legs strong for decades. The movement is called Shiko, and in its adapted version for men over 50, it works regions that most conventional exercises simply ignore: the inner thigh, hip opening, and the stabilizing muscles that protect every step you take. These are exactly the regions that decide whether you climb stairs with confidence or holding on to the handrail. To execute, stand with your feet wider than shoulder width and your toes pointing outward at about 45 degrees. Keep your chest lifted, your spine straight, and ascend slowly by bending your knees, as if you were assuming a position of power, not just sitting. Hold for 1 second at the bottom, then push through your heels and rise with control, exhaling on the way up. 10 to 12 repetitions, 2 or 3 sets. If you need support at first, the back of a chair will do. If you already have more conditioning, pause longer at the bottom or add a gentle stomp with the foot as you rise, exactly as traditional wrestlers do, challenging balance even more. The detail that transforms this exercise is consistency. Done every day, Shiko reconnects your body with movement patterns it has been losing without you realizing: stability while walking, confidence when standing up, fast reaction if you slip. And while most men train only what appears in the mirror, you will be strengthening exactly what sustains your independence. But strengthening the legs is only half the path. There is a practice that remained preserved for centuries inside monasteries and Japanese martial arts schools, and that science has only now tested in the laboratory. What they discovered will change how you think about training after 50. Exercise 2. Rei-ho. There is a practice that Japanese samurai used every day, not to fight, but to preserve the body. For centuries, it remained restricted to monasteries and martial arts schools. Very few people outside Japan know it exists. Its name is Rei-ho, and in 2025, researchers at Tohoku University decided to test it in the laboratory for the first time. What they discovered surprised even the scientists themselves. After only 3 months of practice, participants increased knee strength by nearly 26%. The control group, which did nothing different, improved only 2.5%. 5 minutes per day, no weight, no equipment. Results that most conventional training cannot achieve in 6 months. Rei-ho is based on something samurai practiced as a daily ritual, the art of sitting, standing, and walking with absolute intention. Every movement is slow, deliberate, and controlled, forcing the leg muscles to work in constant resistance, as if your own body weight were the training. To execute, sit in a chair with your spine upright. Stand up in a completely controlled way, without swinging your torso or using your arms for momentum. Pause standing for 2 seconds, then descend back to the chair with the same slowness, 3 seconds to sit, resisting gravity the entire time. Repeat 10 times. The secret lies exactly in this descent. It activates the deepest muscle fibers, the same ones that protect your knees and stabilize every step you take. What makes Reiho different from any other exercise is not intensity. It is precision. While most fast movements allow lazy muscles to rest, Reiho's slow rhythm allows no escape. Every muscle fiber is forced to work, and that is why medieval Japanese warriors aged with functional knees in an era when most men could barely walk after 50. This wisdom remained preserved for centuries. Now science has confirmed what the samurai already knew, and the third exercise will take this concept even further, because it doesn't just test your strength. It tests something few men and women over 50 can still do. Exercise. 3. One-leg stand. There is a test that Japanese doctors have used for decades, and that most Western men have never heard of. It requires no equipment, no laboratory, and takes exactly 10 seconds. Stand up. Lift one leg. Hold. If you cannot maintain balance for at least 10 seconds without support, researchers discovered that your risk of death in the next decade almost doubles. This is not exaggeration. It is what a study with more than 1,900 people between ages 50 and 75 concluded, and what the Mayo Clinic confirmed. Among all aging measures analyzed, single-leg balance declined the fastest with age, more than strength, more than walking speed. The exercise itself is simple and devastatingly effective. Stand with your feet together, fix your gaze on a point ahead, and lift one foot off the ground, slightly bending the knee. Hold for 30 seconds without moving, without using your arms for support, and without excessive swaying. Switch legs. Repeat 3 times on each side. What seems easy in theory reveals in seconds exactly where your nervous system, stabilizing muscles, and internal balance are failing, often before any other symptom appears. Elderly Japanese practice variations of this movement daily, in parks, at home, even while waiting for tea to warm. For them, it is as routine as brushing their teeth. The detail few people know is that this exercise does not train balance alone. It reconnects the brain with the leg muscles at a level most conventional training completely ignores. Every second you hold the position, hundreds of micro-adjustments occur between your nervous system and the muscles of the ankle, knee, and hip. It is this silent dialogue between brain and body that disappears with age, and that this movement restores. Practiced daily, it rebuilds exactly the capacity that separates men who age with autonomy from those who begin depending on others for simple tasks. And now that you understand the 3 pillars, strength, deep muscular resistance, and neurological balance, only one thing remains. Start today. 3 exercises, a few minutes per day. And a philosophy the West took centuries to begin understanding. What the Japanese know and practice is that the body does not age all at once. It ages in silence, movement by movement, day after day. You did not move as you should, and it rebuilds itself exactly the same way. Repetition by repetition, day after day. The man who ignores this at 50 reaches 65, holding onto the handrail, avoiding stairs, depending on others, for tasks he once did without noticing. Not by destiny, by absence of specific movement. Meanwhile, the man who adopts these 3 pillars, hip strength with Shiko, deep muscular resistance with Reiho, and neurological balance with the one-leg stand, reaches the same age with an autonomy most people around him have already lost. This contrast is not genetics, it is choice. The question that remains is simple and direct. Which of these 2 men do you want to be in 15 years? Because the answer is not given in words. It is given now, in the next 10 minutes, when you decide whether you stand up and test how long you can balance on one leg. That second of decision is exactly where the difference begins. If this video awakened something in you, leave in the comments which of the 3 exercises you will start today. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next routines designed for men who still take their own body seriously.